Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar today inaugurated the administrative cum academic block office of the College of Agriculture and Girls Hostel at Kirdamkulai Riboy district. The Union Minister also later inaugurated the 3-day-long North-East Krishi Kumbh and also took part in the 49th Foundation Day celebration of the Icar Research Complex for North-Eastern Region, Umiam. During the function, the Union Minister spoke on various works taken up by the government to bring fast-paced development of the North-Eastern region in the field of agriculture and allied activities. He added that through the efforts of ICAR, the entire region has seen enormous changes in productivity in relation to agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry and others. The Union Minister also mentioned the importance of farmers as they play an important role in bringing national growth and urged them to look beyond the traditional methods to modern techniques.
कृषि का क्षेत्र निरंतर मुनाफे में आए, इस बात की चिंता इसलिए जरूरी है कि किसी भी काम से कमाए गए पैसे तो जेब में हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर किसान खेती नहीं करेगा और कृषि उत्पाद की उपलब्धता नहीं होगी तो पैसे होने के बाद भी हम क्या खरीदेंगे और कहां से खरीदेंगे।